Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So I've been wanting to do this video for a very long time, but I've been procrastinating it and postponing this video mainly because the profits kept increasing every month, and for the last 1.5 months to 2 months it was in the consolidation. So that's why I thought I would do the video now. I took this trade in the month of August and I invested 13 lakhs, 65,000 or something, and the returns that I got is 115% so far, and the profits would be right around 15.5 lakhs. So this trade was taken not based on fundamental analysis, not because I want to bottom catch the stock based on fundamental analysis. It was purely based on price action. And if you are a swing trader and if you are a pure price action trader, you would know that there were similar kind of setups in other stocks as well. Not only the Tata Motors, there were many other stocks which was, the price action was very similar to this Tata Motors. So what are those stocks? I will just explain you, and I'll also explain my entries and the reason behind it. It's a very simple setup. All you had to do is buy and hold for these setups like this. Before that, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to clear it up. Please make sure to watch out for the scammers in the comment section. There are people who are commenting in the name of the Madras trader. My name would have a tick mark on it. Okay friends, so this is the Tata Motors chart, and looking at this you might ask me, Rajan, where is the pattern? I don't see any pattern. It's just going down and it is moving up. Yes, but I'll just show you the pattern right now. Okay, this is a very simple trend line, and when I was looking at this particular chart, I was trying to draw this trend line, and I noticed that okay, basically I entered at 136, okay, right around at the top. And when I was particularly looking at this chart, I noticed that Tata Motors moved almost 40% right after this triangle breakout. So this is a huge trend line, and this is kind of a contraction, kind of a consolidation right to the trend line again. And then there was a huge momentum and a 39%, 40% move, right? And I noticed this only after this happened, and I was waiting patiently, putting alerts on this trend line. And the moment it touched it, I was waiting. I did not enter right away when it touched it. I was waiting for some kind of a confirmation. So this is another triangle pattern, right? And 136.55 is my buying. So exactly this line, no, even below that, 136.55, so somewhere around here, okay, exactly here. And my stop loss was this swing low. This was my stop loss, this was my entry. And just like I expected, initially the volumes were very low, but as the momentum picked up, look at the move, a 28% move. And then there was a kind of I wouldn't say this as a consolidation, because this is a huge red candle, right? So I was quite worried, but I did not exit the position because I was hoping that this candle, the Tata Motors would touch the trend line and then go back up again. But no, the momentum was so huge that just a second. So the momentum was so huge that it didn't have to touch the trend line. The momentum picked up right after a couple of candles, and look at the move, guys. So my entry was here, and I'm still holding on to this trade. You might ask me, Rajan, why didn't you book this right when it touched 100%? Mainly because right after, look at this. This is not a reversal, this is purely a consolidation. So I was hoping that there would be a consolidation and then momentum would pick up, but no. Tata Motors is in consolidation for almost 3 months, guys. Yes, I had to hold for 3 months, and I'm still holding on to it, hoping that this is kind of a flag, and it might break this area and move to further price. And the interesting part is that it's not just the Tata Motors. I also came across another trade, which is Minda Industry. Look at this, it's the same pattern, right? So Look at this here, 76% more, same pattern, same kind of price action in different stocks. I will also show you different stock which follow the same pattern. Okay, you might say that, okay Rajan, this was when the market was trending. If you had bought it, you would have made money anyway. No, in technical analysis, my aim is not to make a prediction out of a stock. My goal is to analyze the risk, to determine the risk. Whenever my risk is low, that is when I enter. If you look at this, if you could enter here, your stop loss is very minimal, but look at the reward that you get, correct? All the setups which are similar to this, top of my head I could just think of Radico and Minda Industry and Tata Motors, and yes, we traded those in our community. If it's very simple guys, you just have to do all the hard work during the post the market hours, and if you just spend 1 hour or 2 hours, you will able to find at least 1 or 2 stocks every week, and you can book profits easily of if not 100%, right? You can definitely book 20 to 30% in one particular stock. So as a whole on a month, you can definitely book somewhere around 5 to 15% a month, and with these price action techniques. And you are welcome to join our community if you are willing to trade setups like this. This is just a example. There were many stocks that we traded. Please let me know in the comment section if you have come across similar pattern setup in a different stock. I would be happy to know it, and let's see how many I've traded these setups. And see you soon with another video. Please make sure to subscribe and also
click that bell icon